like driving this truck, Dave?
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
We made it.
Oh yeah, the auto shop.
Cannot wait to see Blasphemi.
Oh dude,
This is gonna be awesome.
No, it's gonna look amazing.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, dude, this is ripping. Hell yeah, dude.
Dude, that's four-wheel burnouts right
I
there.
know. Oh.
Right now, we are at the auto shop in Butler, Georgia, and this is the spot where Blasphemi has spent the last few months getting resurrected. Drag Week 2019 was pretty hard on the car. It came home with cracked quarter panels, a couple other issues, but more importantly, there were just certain things about the car I wanted to change up, and so we sent it here to get a new flat black paint job and a gold roof and a gold dash, and reunite it with the Roadkill Ram truck, because it's been a while. You want to go see it?
Yeah, I do.
Let's
yes.
go see it. Let's go see it. Flat black again.
It is flat black.
Oh, dude, look at the roof.
So it's not wrapped.
It looks evil. Yeah, finally, it's flat black, but actually with paint.
Look at the top, man.
That is beautiful.
Look at the dash. Look at the dash.
I can't wait to drive down the street and stare at that. Dude, it's beautiful. This is what I had in my head from day one. Oh, dude, we have a trunk again. No more trunk lid flying off.
This is your version of the two-lane blacktop car.
Yeah.
And it looks good.
Blasphemi is back. The ramp truck is back.
Your life is complete.
I know, right?
Man, I need a raise.
I already made babies. I don't need anything else. Oh, man. I want to load it up and take it home. I just want to see it on the back of the ramp truck.
All right.
Going down the highway.
Well, we have a little bit of daylight. Let's hurry up and get it out.
Look, the band is back together. We have Blasphemi in our possession once again. It's perfect. And now we can go home and fix it because we got the ramp truck running again after so many years of just languishing. These two go together like peanut butter and jelly. Yeah,
This is cool.
this is definitely cool. Of course, nothing's done and nothing's perfect. It doesn't matter. The point here is get out there and use what you have. Even if it's not its final form, it doesn't matter. Go make the memories. Fabricator's right. And get it right. Just get it running. Thanks for watching Roadkill.